was how do you make a door? So I found the easiest way in voxatron to make a door is inside a door objects to use the door pickup, which is this pink gem in the first room, and then in the second room you use an entry point. So and then once you have those two objects placed in two different rooms and selected, the link button appears and you can press it and you can link those two together. Now note that this door pickup has destination and right now it's 0, so when I press link, it puts that number 564 into the destination window. So what essentially it does, it takes the number of this object right here, which is 564, and adds it, right, 564, to the destination of the previous object. All right, and that's how you make a door.